One of the biggest mistakes people make is not picking the right size chandelier for the room. One of the most important rooms in the house is the dining room. It's where you spend a good deal of your quality time, and it's very important to have the right piece for that room. One of the common rules of thumb to figure out the width of the fixture is the room dimension calculation, which is taking the width of the room, adding it to the length of the room, turning that measurement from feet to inches, and using that as the estimate of the width of the fixture. In this case, the room is 16 long by 14 wide. Add those two up, you get 30 feet. Turn the feet into inches, 30 inches. That's a good approximation of how big the fixture should be. Another more important calculation that I like to use is the table width. If this table is 44 inches, you want to give in 6 inches from each side so people don't hit their head when they're standing up. So that's a foot total, 6 inches from each side. Deduct that from the width of the table, in this case 44-inch wide table. Deduct the foot, 32 inches. That's the maximum width that you want for your fixture to be. Another common question is how high should the fixture be off the table? Generally, you want the bottom of the fixture to be 5 feet off the floor, which works out to be about 30 inches off the tabletop. If there's one long dangling crystal, I don't count that. I count the first row of substantial bottom of the fixture, which in this case is about here, and that's about 30 inches off the tabletop.